Here's a Sears Coldspot. Refrigerator at my grandparents' house in the basement here. This is a nice large basement. This is like 1,000 square feet. Here's Coldspot. This thing's built like a tank. And the house was built in 1974, and it came with all the appliances, and this was the original fridge that came with the house. Back in 1999, my grandparents replaced it with a Frigidaire, side by side, and then back just this year in 2011, they got a new Whirlpool Gold side by side fridge. It's really nice. It was expensive though. The Whirlpool Gold was like $1,200, but. So yeah, this is a nice fridge. It still works great after 37 years. Sears Coldspot. It's running right now. I hope the microphone's picking it up. That's blowing freezing cold air out. Here's a little freezer up here. There's this door thing here. Oh yeah, it's blowing frigid air. Like really cold. So, this is a awesome refrigerator. I really like it. It's 1974. It's just unbelievable. In the basement, there's a shelf with all this cleaning stuff and laundry detergent stuff. Here's the washer and dryer. But yeah, here I'll stand about halfway through the basement. This is a large basement, but I mean you can still hear it, but it's still really a nice fridge. I like it a lot. So yeah. This is blowing hot air out. And then it's got a reciprocating compressor, judging by the sound. Well, I know it does, but you know. And it probably has well, I know it has R12. There's a spec sheet. Can't find the spec sheet. Well, if I do find it, I will edit it into this video. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Over and out.